Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on the T10 Ultra and getting basic connectivity in place. Charge to at least 50% so updates install without interruption, then open the companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location. Once the watch displays a pairing code or QR, confirm it in the app and accept required permissions. This establishes secure communication and lets notifications, contacts, and health data sync. After pairing, check for firmware updates. Install them before changing deeper settings so features behave predictably. Once paired and updated, configure the T10 Ultra's main functions so it matches your routine. Choose a watch face and arrange tiles or widgets for immediate access to heart, workout, and music controls. This saves taps later. Then enable health sensors and set sampling intervals. More frequent reads use more battery, so balance accuracy against runtime. Next, filter which apps send alerts, set a Do Not Disturb schedule, and create quick replies for messages. These steps reduce distractions and keep essential data handy. Final checks ensure the T10 Ultra works in real conditions. Test phone calls, music controls, and GPS on a brief walk. Confirm workout metrics update in the app. Then optimize battery by lowering screen brightness, disabling always-on display, and reducing sync frequency to extend runtime. If something goes wrong, pairing fails, or sensors lag, restart both watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth, clear the companion app cache, and retry pairing. If issues persist, reinstall the app or perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.